Hi, I'm Meg. I'm a site merchandiser at Lovely Skin.
And I'm Jill, the content manager.
We are here in the Lovely Skin studio to unbox and try a very new exciting makeup brand, Laura Mercier.
I have been counting the days until this brand launch and I cannot wait to try it. We'll be using some of their most popular base makeup products that cater to both of our skin types.
Ready?
Let's do it.
One thing I love is that Laura Mercier primers contain 85% skincare ingredients. This hydrating primer contains rose extracts and French mineral water for extra moisture, which is perfect for me.
And the blurring version that I'm using contains red clover flower extract. And what that does is it controls oiliness, which is good for me because I get a little shiny throughout the day. So I like a full coverage look, so I'm using the Real Flawless Perfecting Foundation, which I'm seeing all over right now. It hydrates and reduces shine throughout the day for up to 12 hours.
And I'm trying the tinted moisturizer. I usually prefer this over foundation because it gives my skin extra hydration and a dewy finish. I tend to get dark circles and puffiness under my eyes, so I'm going to use the Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. It sets concealer and instantly brightens under the eyes with micronized pigments.
And I'm gonna be setting my foundation with the Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It gives a soft matte finish and blurs and smooths without looking cakey at all.
We're going to finish our looks quickly and be right back.
Okay, Meg, so you know I love a full coverage look. How does this one stand up?
Your skin tone looks really even and the coverage is beautiful. And also that primer has really had that mattifying effect. All right, Jill, what do you think?
So it really does give a little bit of light coverage, but you look very hydrated.
Thank you.
Not dry at all.
I feel hydrated. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's very lightweight and I love that it has SPF.
It's gorgeous. So Meg, what are your final thoughts about Laura Mercier?
I love the versatility of this line. Everyone can find products that will work for their skin type. The tinted moisturizer is definitely going in my Lovely Skin cart.
I love that one. I love that the formulas are dermatologist approved and they contain skincare ingredients, something we really love here at Lovely Skin. I'm gonna buy the Translucent Setting Powder. I really love it.
Thanks for joining us for our unboxing today. For tutorials and product videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye.